last standard, Standard 5, covers research. A lot of the research I did in my classes inspired me to create projects and other courses. I will highlight some of the theories that I learned and methods that I gained for this standard.
The annotated bibliography that I wrote covered many different topics that I found in peer-reviewed articles. One that was quite fascinating was gestures as simulated action theory. I had never considered how much research needed to be done to help figure out how touchscreen and congruent gestures together would give the best learning. It was also reinforced with how I teach in my classroom with the constructivism theory that has existed for over 100 years. Finding out that the motto learning by doing is something that I actively use in my classroom with technology and as a career and technical educator. And here are my references on this paper. The next thing I'd like to showcase is I created a 5.5-minute explanation of the Likert scale. I did this as an extended project for my 505 class. Rennes Likert was the founder that he developed this scale for his PhD thesis in 1932. This is still the most used scale for research. This is considered bipolar scaling method. So that led me into my evaluation using the quantitative and qualitative data that I gathered using the Likert scale. I created 15 different surveys. First of all, I started with the pre-survey to talk about whether or not students were interested in the project. I highlighted the areas in a light green to show the agree and in the light red to show disagree and what the different questions were. I also had the students evaluate the 4 projects, and then at the end we did a post-survey to find out if students felt they were now able to hit the learning objectives. And here you can see the pre-survey results. I can use After Effects well to the post-survey results, whether or not they felt they had increased their knowledge. Having gone through this process, I now feel really comfortable going through and creating surveys, and I understand how valuable they will be as I work on any project in any of my classes.
Thank you for watching as I reviewed the 5 standards and what I learned throughout my 10 courses here at Boise State University. I encourage anyone who's interested in educational technology to check out the courses here at Boise State.